So what's up, guys? We're in a 2004 Ford F150. Common problem with these is the center console, the padding around the cup holder actually ends up splitting apart. There are people out there that are selling reproductions of this that are a combination of foam and ABS plastic. Not sure how long it'll last. I haven't had one. I just ran across this online. This is solid ABS plastic. It's one piece constructed. You don't have to worry about this coming apart or anything like that in the future. Super easy install. All you're going to do is pull this top padding off. The existing one, just like that. Take the new one. You can see, sort of see the tabs in this. But what you can also do is just take the new one and lay it right on top. And with a Sharpie marker, just go into the front and mark the rough area of where the tabs are going to be at. And once you mark them all, what you'll do is take a Dremel and Dremel them out, and I'll show you exactly how to do that in just 1 second as soon as I get these marked out. So you can see that now I've removed the top bezel. Now what I'm going to do is just go in and try to retrieve these tabs. If I'm not able to retrieve them, I can just push them in, and then the new tabs from the new piece will just slide right in. So when using a Dremel, if you hit this top area and you mess it up at all, it's not going to affect how the new one goes in, as long as you don't damage it or grind too deep. If you just hit the top just a little bit, it's not a big deal. So, alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop these in. There's actually a pad behind here, so when you push these in, all you're doing is pushing it into that padding. So when you lift up and down the armrest, you're not gonna hear any rattling at all, because that pad, it's just sitting on that padding. So, alright guys, so we got the new one, we got the old one all cleaned up, everything else. Now we're ready to install the new one. Simple and easy, just put it on, and it's just going to snap in. Simple as that, nice and clean fit. All the way around. The inside on the ABS plastic fits the rings of the cup holders perfectly. So whenever they did the molding in the engine area, they did a good job. So overall, like I said, nice. You lose the padding here, but you really don't need it. So great product for the money.